of Cardano holders. So the price is starting increasing 0.31%. The price is increased today, my friend, as you can see here this time on the screen. And definitely, my friend, that's mean to update is going to be very good now. But kindly holder, if you want to get a profit now, you will need to watch this prediction video, my friend. We will going to predicate this coin to an upcoming days. What they do, can they will moving upward or they will fails down. So don't worry, my friend, if they were fails down for some time. Absolutely, my friend, our prediction tell you complete detail about next jump and dump. So please holder must watch this video completely. But if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, when coin was starting moving upward, so definitely after a huge jump, absolutely they were fails down like that. As you can see here, just in only, my friend, after this jump they were fails down, but after a fail, absolutely they will take a pump. So therefore, my friend, as we can see here, my friend, in last 24-hour chart, you can see here is on the screen, and they were moving in very straight direction, not moving upward, not moving downward. So that's clean, my friend. You can see here the resistance line is here. So if they were fails down from resistance line, so that's mean to they are in the lost. But don't worry, my friend, as you can see here, my friend, that's clear to upcoming time they will get a profit. Because, my brother, you can see here just for one time, you can see here they will cross the resistance line, and they will touch the third line. So that's mean, my friends, so they are in the lost. But finally, as you can see here, after that, you can see here they will hit the resistance line and hit the first line. As you can see here, hit the first line. So that's mean to this coin will be in the profit, my friends. And definitely when a coin will starting moving upwards, so that's clear, my friend. If they will hit the resistance line, so that's clear to they will get a profit. My viewers, my subscriber, definitely after this fails they will take a very huge jump. And absolutely, my friend, every coin will moving in this circulation. So that's clear, my friends, to upcoming time this coin will moving upward. And absolutely, if they will hit again the line 1, so that's clear, my friends, so they will get a 10% profit. And if they will hit a 10% profit, so that's possible, my friends, so they will hit 3 USD dollar again now. Kindly holders, you can see here this time this is the latest price, so 2.25 USD dollar. I hope they will easily hit this target, my friend, which we make, my friends, today now. But please, these are all just possible if you are hold. If you are starting selling, so they will fails down more. Kindly holder, hold it just in only for the end of month. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching. Please like video and subscribe channel.